right now because money loves speed. You will never move forward in life if you keep on living in the fear of failing. You shouldn't be afraid to try. You should be afraid that you're not trying enough like other people. You need to show up every single day because that's exactly what successful people do. Even though they don't feel like doing it, even though they might have a lot of things going through, they still provide the value, they still provide the quality that they promise, no matter what. And that what differentiates them from regular people. Like just exactly what I'm doing with my UGC business right now. Because I know that success is not an accident and I have to do it in purpose. It only takes a little mistake for people to perceive you in a different way. You want people to see you that you're the best at what you do. Then you need to do more. You need to do more than what other people are doing. Try to find your unique selling point. Stack your skills, stack your talents, and show them. And I also learned that this year, you need to show people what you do on social media. And you won't even know that the people who follow you will need your service one day. I present myself as a UGC creator in Canada, a 19-year-old UGC creator who is backed by copywriting skills, SEO skills. I have my skills in social media marketing, and I'm bilingual. That makes a whole different story, and that makes people see you in a different way because you stacked your talents properly. You bring more value to people and you show it. People won't take 1 minute to stalk you. They just see what they see in front of them as fast as they can because our attention span is decreasing. So don't be afraid to sell. Don't be afraid to tell people what you do because that way you are opening doors. Nobody in this world is created the same. So don't ever compare yourself to other people. God created you beautifully. God created you special. So you need to know that you are special to show the world because I am blessed by God, I am close to the Creator, and I am different. And if you say that, no, I don't have anything to show. Really? Really? You don't have anything to show when God gave you so many talents that you have right now and maybe you don't even realize or you're not using it wisely. Maybe you just buried it somewhere. And that is your job right now, to find that talent, to dig and try and fail and try and fail and try. Because God wants you to succeed. He didn't put you in this world to fail miserably. He put you in this world to succeed, to become a blessing for a lot of people. And that is your purpose in life. I am talking to you right now. You have a purpose in life. God gave you a purpose in this life, and you are going to make a lot of people change. You are going to become an impact in your community when you start using the talents that God has given to you. Maybe you start really small by serving in church. Use that talent to serve God, not just for your glory. So stop hiding your talents. Stop putting them away and setting them aside when that is exactly what God has gifted you with. And it is your job right now to work hard on it, to improve, to practice every single day. Because until when are you going to be basic, average, when you were created differently from everyone else and created special? You only have one life. So live the best life. Maximize every single time, every single second that you have. I know it's tiring. Honestly, I'd rather work hard and see and uncover the gift that God has given to me and finally see results because God blessed me. And what I did was just to follow Him and work hard. Just that.